Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ammar Rana. I'm a software engineer and have been working in tech for so long. Today in this video, we are going to learn about HTML5 in 5 minutes. So if you're interested in such videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you never miss any updates. With that being said, let's get into the video. Right now, as you can see, I have created a folder on my desktop with the name YouTube. Let me open that folder and let me shoot up my code editor. I personally love Visual Studio Code, but if you are comfortable with any code editor like Atom, Sublime, you are good to go. You can whatever editor you are using, you are good to go with that. So here we go. Let me delete all those files that are unnecessarily open over there. So right now, as you can see, I have opened my code editor. Now inside this folder, I'm gonna create a file named as index.html. So here is a quick note for all of you. Whenever you are going to do any HTML project, I would definitely recommend you all to always create index.html file, as it tells the browser that this is the first page of our website and our website is in .html. Okay, so I think I'm pretty much clear for now. So let's go a bit deeper over here. Let me teach you from the start. Right now, what I'm gonna write is that I'm telling my friend Google that this document type is HTML. Okay, afterwards there comes a main tag which is HTML. As you can see, once we are opening any tag, we are closing that tag also. Like for example, I have opened the tag HTML. I have closed this tag by putting this. Okay, so in HTML with most of the tags we do that, but there are some self-closing tags also, which I'm gonna teach you step by step. Okay, so right now let's go. Inside this, there comes the head section. Head. Again, you must have seen that I have opened that head tag and I have closed that head tag also, because it is mandatory with some of the tags in HTML. So inside head tag, basically we will write the title of our website. We will link any style sheet, bootstrap, JavaScript. I know conventionally we link JavaScript just before the closing tag of the body of the HTML, but you can link in head also. There is no harm in it also, if you are not working on a large scale project. So let me add over there like a title. So here we go. I have again put that tag in the same way as I have put all the previous tags. I have opened that tag and closed that tag also. Let me write our beautiful website name that we are gonna creating for the first time. So here we go. We have written the title of our website. Let me tell you how it's gonna look in our browser. So if you wanna see it in browser running and displaying all the things, you just have to copy this index.html and you have to open it in your Chrome browser, or you can use any browser over here. So you must have noticed that my first website is written at the top tab of the website. So it is telling that this is the title of our website. So this is the first function of the head tag. Although there are few more functions like linking, like some meta tags for SEO purpose, but I will tell you all these tags to you in the coming videos when we are gonna deal with CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, and any other third-party language. So for now, let's move toward our next step, which is the body tag. Okay, so before writing anything inside body tag, let me tell you what's body in our page. So here you must have seen the blank white screen over there. This complete white screen over there is our body tag. Whatever we will write inside body, it is gonna appear over here. I know you are not getting that idea, but let me show you. For example, if I give a heading over here like, hey, I have created my first website. Created my first website. So this heading, if I have written H1 also, let me tell you, we have different heading tags in HTML like H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. The difference between all these tags is just a font size. For example, somewhere you want to show a big heading, somewhere you want to show a smaller heading. So you can play with these things as per the design you are working or as per the nature of the heading. So if I refresh this page, so wow, we have written our first tag in our body of our website. So here we go. You have gotten a bit idea about the HTML. Let me tell you some of the tags, some of the most important tags of HTML5 that you are gonna be using in your daily projects. So the very important tag is main. Then there is a tag section, or what am I writing? Section. Then there is a tag div. Then there is a tag aside, and this goes on. But for now, these tags are pretty much enough for you to learn HTML5. You can use these tags. The basic purpose of these tags is that whatever you are gonna write in this section will not affect the things in div if you are not triggering certain conditions. Because in CSS we can obviously overlap with all these divs by implementing some of the custom CSS stuff like position, relative, absolute, and many other things. But majorly it states this that I have told you earlier. Okay. So for example, so these were the tags that you must have to open and then you must have to close. There are some self-closing tags also, like for example image source. You don't have to put this to close this tag. Oh my god, from where this body is coming. So it is completely wrong. You don't have to put this. You just have to put IMG source, and inside this source you can put the image source, you can put the link of the image, or you can put a custom URL of the image, whatever as per the needs of the project, like how you are working, like what is the circumstances. So it depends totally on you. For example, if I want to place an image over here, I will simply go to Pexels, PEXELS Pexels. It is one of the best websites if you want to download some of the copyright free images. So for instance, let me copy this image. If you want to put this image inside your HTML page, you just have to wait a bit so that this image can load. Once this image will load, I don't know why it's not loading. My internet connection is really frustrating me right now, but we will wait a little bit so that it can load. Oh yes, it has loaded now. You just have to copy the image address and you just have to put it all the way here, and that's it. Now if you will refresh your page that you have created, so congratulations, you have gotten that image in your HTML website. And if you want to put some of the text over there, like for example inside body, I can give a H1 heading, a subscribe to this channel, and let me see where it's gonna come. So here we go, it has come over here. You have created your first HTML, you have created your first HTML website. So let me tell you, before completing this video, let me tell you the exact syntax, like how we usually code. So This is the conventional format if you want to code in HTML. So first of all, here comes header. Inside header you can put navbar. So this is the navbar tag. I know you are not getting what is navbar, so let me show you over here. If they have used navbar, they must have used the navbar. So this one having the search bar, the menu. So this is the navbar. This is the header section. Okay, after header section there comes a section where you can put different things like pixel tag, put a lot of images, you can put a lot of images also, or whatever the site you are working on. In the coming videos we are going to be developing a complete responsive website using HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. And afterwards here come a footer that is completely necessary. And this is the complete workflow, or you may say that this is the boilerplate code of HTML website. So congratulations, you have learned HTML5. You have learned the basics. I would not lie, you must have learned the basics of HTML5 and you are now able to code in HTML5 a little bit. But in the coming videos, once we create a complete website using all these beautiful technologies, you must be capable of building anything. Not building, you're not constructing. You must be capable of developing anything that you want to do. So if you are interested in such videos, do not forget to subscribe to my channel so that you never miss any updates. With that being said, I'm signing out. Tata.